Incarnadine Rain by Angel Ball. A drop from sky fell to ground as rain, and so does my ocular pearls. For the unbearable weights of the world, a conscience so wide and puffy, took the contumely of their tongues, turning them dark and heavy. Pain that couldn't hold came out as cortisol flush, to fall on earth, a passerby stamping on like a cobblestone. Vain and unregarded, evaporates, shifting dull hue to cotton-like, never knowing. Others with knives, waiting to make the albescent scarlet red, bursting into incarnadine rain.